Good morning. In today's video, let's talk about Motorola Edge 50 Pro. In the box, you will find a 125 watt charger, charging cable, case, and the device itself has a beautiful 144 Hertz screen. Let's close a look. This feels very nice in the hand. It's not too wide. Motorola is killing it. I'm not sure why any other brands are making such a wide smartphones. Uncomfortable. Smartphone needs to be not too wide, like this one. Very nice. Fingerprint sensor. It's at the very bottom. Quick. Well, that's not always. Maybe my fingers and I have a clean fingers. Oh, all right. Too much. Okay, it's okay, I guess. 144 Hertz. That is a fantastic smooth experience. Like I said, we do have auto, which is adaptive. No, don't do that. 60 to preserve battery. 120 and 144. Just go all the way for 144. That's the way to go. We can change the size. The customization is vast. Okay, let me just put it down. It's too much. And also an AI wallpaper. How can we do an AI wallpaper? We need something. What if we use my skin, my hand? Let's take a photo. Bam! It took the photo, and now it will create a wallpaper, AI wallpaper, one of the kind wallpaper for your device. It's fairly fast. Look, it's halfway already. I get it. Come on. Just do it. Come on. And yeah, see, that was the background. I must say it is pretty lame. but anyway, forget about the AI wallpaper. Let's do dynamic. Those dynamics wallpapers are very nice. For example, this one. You see? I like it. Oh, that's awesome. What about... No, let's leave with this one. Home screen and title. That's it. Nice. Very nice. I like it. It's too much green. Anyway, you can see everything is smooth and dandy. But if we go to the benchmark, we will find that the score is very low. 853,000 points. That's not too much in this price range, my dear friend. And the internal storage is hopeless. That score is bad. Those are UFS 2.0. In this price range, you can have 4.0. I'm not sure why they put such an old internal memory to it. What does that even mean? It means that in the multitasking, we could have some problems. I already have some problems making a video via the smartphones. This screen was just tearing heavily. So that's most likely UFS 2.0 problem. If those numbers doesn't mean anything to you, let me hit the Geekbench and the result, which is also not great. We can compare 930. That's somewhere around. Even Galaxy S20 Fan Edition is more powerful. That's just pathetic. Multi 2,700. Well, okay, somewhere at the bottom. Oh my God. There's a Galaxy A54. A50, that's pathetic. Let's just hope for it. I mean, it costs twice as much as a Galaxy A54. Come on, that's just ridiculous. Those numbers doesn't mean anything if we cannot game. Let's try some gaming. Heavy gaming. Call of Duty. There is a game mode, and in the game mode we do have all kinds of features, like really recording without the sound. Like there's maybe there is sound. Okay, this guy is inviting me all the time. I don't think he's has a life. He's always playing this game without the sound. What's the... Oh, there it is. We do have a system sound. Alright, that was my mistake. We do have system sound. But gaming, with turbo mode, we have balance and battery saving. Alright. Alright, maximum settings all the way. Looks smooth. Really smooth. Got him. Got him. Behind me, behind me, behind me. Someone behind me. No? What the? It is smooth. Ha! Got him. Come on, come on. That's cool. That is cool. I noticed there's no gallery app. You have to go to for Google Photos, which is not great. At least I can find it. Okay, did not do that. If we hit a video, look at the quality. Look at the quality of the screen. The screen is really, really good. It is amazing. I love it. Szeroka jest Motorola, nawet bardzo, bardzo. And great sounding. Mamy autofokus w obu. I to mi się podoba, bardzo fajnie. It's great. All right. That's a different language, but it doesn't matter. Everything works smooth, even with those low end internal memory. But the camera, is it any good? That is the question. Slow motion, of course. We do have video. By the way, slow motion 120 frames per second or 240 in HD, but come on, that's very low resolution. Video in 4K 30, that's the maximum. Also, okay, come on. Why it's not respond? You see? It's glitching. We could switch lenses during the recording in 4K 60, which is awesome. Switching to a photo, we will have the same features, which is autofocus and wide angle, dedicated macros. We can make great pictures. Well, in theory, great. Now we will have more zoom all the way to like 30, and the zoom is pretty decent. You can make a fantastic macro in telephoto. Look, fantastic. It's okay, I guess. It's okay. Portrait, front and back. You can get closer. You can go further. Pro. You can shoot in RAW. You can scan documents. Scanning documents is really good now. We do have TridentZ. Look, it's catching by itself. I didn't do anything. Look how awesome that is. Okay, it's too bright. That is a fact. It mess up the colors a little bit, and I think the saturation and brightness is completely off. But it gets the whole thing. That is pretty good. Let me show you some samples for photo and video, and you can download the original samples in the description of this video. You see the edge of the tree and how strange it's looking. The sky, how strange it is on the Motorola. There are no filters engaged at the moment. Everything is on default, wide angle and 0.5, both of them. So I'm not sure why it's so weird on the Motorola. Oh, by the way, I'm commenting what I see on the smartphone. What will end up on YouTube? Well, hopefully the same. Alright, so walking around, video stabilization. Let me spin the camera. Vlogging style. If you're gonna vlog from the smartphone, this is how it's going to look like. Vlogging. And the front facing camera, definitely wider on Moto overexposing the sky. If I got out of the frame, let's see. Anyway, pictures.
Hello, Moto.
Conclusion? Because it has very low numbers and that memory is 2.0, internal memory, it's kind of lame in this price range. But I only see glitches during the filming with a smartphone. And the screen just was tearing like crazy. Other than that, everything works smooth. Maybe the optimization is fantastic. So fantastic that we won't see
I'm happy you're happy.
then we won't see any glitches. It is very, very strange that it didn't glitch in a game mode. Some smartphones twice more powerful are glitching, and this isn't, and was maximum settings. That was bizarre. Feels very nice in the hand, beautiful screen, fantastic audio. It is a great device for content consuming. But if you want to produce some content, then look somewhere else. That's all I have. Thanks for watching and see you next video. Bye.